So let's do this 3-in-1 turban. Okay, you're gonna do it yourself, trust me guys, and it's gonna look nice on you. So let's get started. You're going to get your lycra material available, that is a stretchable material, and you're going to divide it, make one part shorter than the other. Then you're going to be knotting the longer part down all through like this. Okay, you're going to knot all of it like the longer part. You're going to knot it like this. You see how I dip my hand into it, use it to pull it out, release my hand and pick it up again till the fabric is being exhausted. So once the fabric is exhausted, so we move to the next stage. So the next thing is going to be the shorter part. We're going to stretch it out like this and replace it on the head, and adjust all the adjustables. Okay, just adjust it. We're going to be needing elastic band to get this one firm on our head at the back, so you have to get your elastic band available to secure this part at the back. So I'm going to be getting my band now so that I will get it firm. So this is it, and I'm going to make sure it is firm enough before I keep the excess under at the back. So this is super easy guys. If you are a lover of turban, you can try this out. So here is the essence I'm dipping in here. So once I'm done securing it, then and I'll knot into to the front again, where I'll be using the pleated parts. Should I say it's not pleated though, these roll parts. I'll be putting it at any of the side, either my right or my left, whichever way you want. You're gonna place it there, and you secure the S's at the back as well. Once you are done with that guys, you are good to go. Okay, you are good to go, and this can be rock either on casual or native, whichever one you want to rock it. So look at me here. So if you feel you need to adjust any parts, please do before you dash out. So let's go to second style. The second style is also easy. So you're going to grab that same material and divide into two by using your elastic band to divide it. So once you have divided it, you're going to place it on your head from the center, and you grab all this excess sideways, cover the middle of your head if you want to, and you go to the back and you're going to cross the hand just like this, right to left and left to right. Adjust all the adjustables. Okay, then you're going to pick any of this and you're going to twist it up like this, twist everything up like this, and you see this elastic band that we're still seeing is still useful. So you're going to dip the excess that you're rolling up, dip it them, and you continue rolling down. Roll it down and go secure the excess at the back. So we are left with only one part, so we are not needing it. You had your branch at the center to beautify it, and you're good to go guys. What do you think about this style as well? I'm loving this style. I'm looking at, look at this. You can also use it like this. Oh more, you are sweet. So I'll be showing you the toe style I have. Instead of releasing the hand, I decided to twist it up like the other one like this, place it there, and I'm going to dip it inside the rubber band as well. But just watch my hand, because I'm not going to be releasing my hand out of this place this time around. I'll just fold it like this. The excess I have, just keep it at the back there. Stretch this folded part out, dip the excess into it. So you're going to arrange it properly and make sure it is looking nice. Okay, once it's looking nice guys, you are ready to go. You know, I'm not done here, I'm still adjusting. If you have watched this length, I hope you have gained one or two things that you want other people to enjoy. If you want people to enjoy, kindly share, let other people enjoy, give it a thumbs up, and do leave a comment in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video, but till then, make sure you practice if you love what we do so you can get it perfectly. Peace out.